Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever logged into your DoorDash account on multiple devices and later wanted to secure your account, logging out everywhere becomes really important. Maybe you use someone else's phone, signed in on a shared device, or just want to make sure no one else has access to your account. The tricky part is that DoorDash doesn't always show a clear log out of all devices button, which can leave users unsure about what to do. Once you follow the right steps, every active login will be reset, giving you full control again. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to log your DoorDash account out of all devices safely and effectively. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your account or profile settings section. Step 3. Navigate to the security settings. Step 4. Change your account password to a new one. Step 5. Save the new password to trigger logout on all devices. Step 6. Log back in only on your personal device to confirm access.